Hey, Cal, it's your dad. Love you much. Bye.
Hey, Dad. It's been a heck of a year, I guess, hasn't it? Sometimes it just takes some unfortunate events, unfortunately, to really show us what matters and what's really important. You definitely set the bar and a perfect example, I would say, of dedication to your hard work and resilience and perseverance, that's for sure. One that, in other aspects, I hope to be able to live up to someday. It won't be easy after what you've shown you can definitely overcome. But we'll look forward to many more years to find out. I love you very much.
Happy birthday, David, from all of us at the Krause House. JR, CJ, and I wish you the happiest birthday this year. After everything that has gone on this year, we are so grateful to be able to celebrate you and to celebrate this birthday and head into a brand new year going forward in 2024. And that's an exclamation point. We love you, and we're so very happy to see you healthy and thriving. So I'll share my birthday with you once again, but this year we're going to celebrate extra big and just be so happy to be able to celebrate another year and going into 2024 together, healthy and moving forward. We love you, JR, Diane, and CJ. Happy birthday. I'm so glad you were born on my birthday. Love you.
Hey, Dad. I wanted just to take a minute to tell you how much I love you. You are always there to support us, bring us laughter when we needed it most, especially, and always ready with a great big hug. Changing the lyrics to our favorite songs, as much as it might annoy us, it was always quite funny as well. Or even a random ice cream stop in the middle of December. Because why not? You are a great dad and a fantastic grandpa, and we all love you very, very much.
Hey, David, it's Car. I just wanted to say hey, and I love you so much. Bye.
A summer of discontent and worry turned into a fall of hope and finally a Christmas season of joy and thanks. We have our David back, and our wonderful family is whole. God has truly blessed this family. Happy birthday, David.
We love you, David. Happy birthday. From a young age, we thought David would be an engineer. He took apart a metal Tonka truck in 20 minutes and disassembled a record player while it was plugged in, all before the age of 4. Later in his childhood, he entertained the family on trips looking for Durwood, his imaginary twin brother. Well, all I can say is we love David, and we have always enjoyed his humor and intellect.
Well, when he was 13, I liked Durwood better. But then I came back to love and cherish David's wit, and he is just one great guy. He is so nice to people, and he is so nice to family, and we love him dearly and dearly.
David, you are my treasure, and I'm so grateful to have found you and for our journey together. I love you more every day. Thank you for always spoiling us and for being such a loving husband, dad, and grandpa. You have worked so hard to give us a wonderful life. I will always cherish you through all of our joy and our challenges, and I will love you forever. Your wife.
Hey, Dad, it's Kelsey. I am so proud of you and your ability to persevere, laugh, and remain gentle. You are steadfast, you are radiant. Every day, I am grateful to call you my dad, and I cherish every moment and memory we share. As your daughter, you taught me the meaning of unconditional love, the ability to laugh, and the need for respect and responsibility. You are the most hardworking and loving father, and I am so grateful that you are my best friend, my role model, and my #1 fan. Thank you for always pulling me out of the doldrums and reminding me that there ain't no mountain high enough. I love you forever, Dad.
Hey, it's me. Give me a shout when you can. Thanks. Love you. Bye.
Hey, everybody. I miss you, and I love you.